Okay, so a few people have had some questions on this, so let me just have a go, walk you through it. So first of all, the perimeter of the rectangle is 78 centimetres. It's got a side, one side is 4x and the other side is 3x plus 4. So if we can see here, I'm going to try and put this in. My side is 4x. I'm on my iPad, so it's harder. And the other side is a 4x. And the length is going to be 3x. Now let me get my plus. Where's my silly plus 4? And my other side is 3x plus 4. Okay? And then we can see that it tells me that it's equal to 78. So let's write 78. 78. And there's your equation. Okay, so I want to collect my x's, and I can see I've got a 4x and a 4x and a 3x and a 3x. So all up, that's going to be 8x plus 6x, which is going to be 8 plus 6 is 14, so it's 14x. And my numbers, I've got a 4x plus a 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So I've got an 8, and I've still got the 78 on the other side. Now I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. So on the left-hand side, I'm getting left with 4x. On the right-hand side, I'm going to get 78 minus 8, which is going to be 70. And that's right. So then we're going to divide both sides by 4. And I'm going to say 7 into 4 goes 1. Goes 1, remainder, I don't have a calculator, 7 into 4 goes 1, remainder 3, 7 into 30 goes, where's it go? It goes 7.5, remainder 5. Oops, that's not right. That's when you say, miss, get out the calculator because I've made a silly mistake. So what am I saying? Calculator on 70 divided by 4 is equal to 17.5. Oh, maybe, because maybe I didn't have to put the x here. X. No, it's definitely 7.5. Oh, this is, goodness gracious, this was a 14. This was a 14. Come back here. Damn. Okay. This was a 14x. Goodness gracious. 114x. Right, and now we say 70 divided by 1/4 is equal to 5. Now we're going to get it right. Oh, goodness. 5. Okay, so then we can say that the width is going to be 4 times 5, which is going to be 20. And that's correct. And then the length is going to be 4 times 5 plus 4, which is going to be 19. Okay, so again, we told you that, they told you what the perimeter was, so you can get the equation in the first part. This is this line up here. So we had the 4x, 2 of the 4x plus the 4x down this end, or that side. Then you got the two sides, so hope that helps. Bye.